Hi everyone, welcome to another Makeup Monday. Today I'm talking skincare and makeup because a lot of people think that skincare is separate to makeup, but actually it's not, it's integral. So the better you look after your skin, the easier your makeup will be to apply and the more choices you will have with makeup products. So the more problematic your skin, the more difficult your makeup is going to be, and you're going to have to work harder at it. So I just want to run through my own skincare routine with you today, just to give you some tips and ideas. So twice a day I cleanse with my vitamin E creamy cleanser from Superdrug, and I do this with, this is a muslin cloth which comes with the cleanser, and it has slight exfoliation, so it buffs the skin and makes it super clean and look more radiant, which I love. So I do this once in the morning, and then I do a double cleanse in the evening, first to remove my makeup and secondly to really deep clean my skin. In the morning after that, I use my vitamin C drops first of all. So these are brilliant for protecting the skin against external and environmental aggressors like pollutants. At the moment in lockdown, the air's a lot fresher because we haven't got as many pollutants in the air. But that's a great thing, particularly if you work in the city. They will really help to protect your skin. And then I apply a moisturiser before my makeup. So at the moment, because we're in May and it's been nice and warm and sunny, I've been using one with a high SPF. I've got a couple here that I use. So this one by Glo Skin is a factor 40. It's an oil-free moisturiser. And this one, thanks to Justine for this one, is by Paula's Choice. So it's an anti-aging, it's a factor 50, and it's really, really light. So it's super light. So even if you wear it under makeup, it's not going to make your makeup slip off. So it's great on its own and with makeup. And those two, either factor 40 or factor 50, going to keep my skin protected during the summer months. And you should really wear those all year round, to be honest. In the evening after my cleanse, I apply my Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair. I love this product, super hydrating, just 1 or 2 drops, so it does go a long way and really plumps out and improves the condition of the skin, so I love that product. And then I use, because I don't like to tan my face, although you can see I've got colour on my face, I use a fake tan. So the Vita Liberata range, I love this one. This is really moisturising and it doesn't have the nasty fake tan smell. Plus it's really hydrating. So it hydrates my skin overnight while I'm sleeping. So I really, really love that range. The best thing, of course, for your skin is drinking lots and lots of water. It makes it a lot clearer, flushes out the toxins, and just makes it plumper. So makeup applies so much easier, goes on smoother, and you get a really nice result. I know it's a bit boring. Nobody loves drinking loads of water, but it really does help the skin. So that's my makeup routine. We will be doing, my skincare routine. We will be doing a live on skincare and makeup in a few weeks' time, and we will have a guest speaker. So we're really looking forward to that. Ask your questions if you've got problem skin or want any help. Maybe you've got rosacea, acne, whatever problems you've got, we'd love to help you out. So we'll announce that event very soon. And thank you for watching. If you've got any questions or comments at all, please leave them in the comment box or direct message me. Have a nice day. See you soon.